Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Slack with Zoom for seamless meeting management. First, in your Slack sidebar, click on Apps and search for Zoom. Select the official Zoom app and click Add to Slack. You'll need to sign in with your Zoom account to authorize the connection. Once connected, you can start a Zoom meeting from any channel or direct. Message by typing Zoom in the message box. Slack will instantly generate a Zoom meeting link and post it in the channel for everyone to join. You can also set up notifications to get alerts in Slack when upcoming Zoom meetings are about to start. When someone starts a Zoom meeting through Slack, participants can join with one click directly from the notification to see your upcoming Zoom meetings. Just type Zoom list in any message box, and that's it. You've just connected Zoom to Slack, making meeting scheduling and joining effortless for your whole team. If this integration streamlines your meetings, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.